Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. Today I want to share with you several ETFs I'm looking at for tomorrow, Monday, August 11th. These are not financial advices, these are for educational purpose only. First off, let's look at the market. My market is the SPY. As you can see that we had some kind of a market correction happened in the past week or the week before that, and then now the market has about fully recovered. So if you look at the longer trend, is still a uptrend. With the earnings season going on, there is a lot of good looking charts because of the earnings. Some of them now look very bad, or some of them they just jumped very high because of earnings. And those are the ones that we will need to wait for a better opportunity to get in. I wouldn't recommend to chase the ones that has gapped up because of earnings. So the first one I'm looking at right now is ETF ITB. This is the home construction ETF. As you can see that the short term is definitely in a uptrend. The 200, which is the red line here, and the 50 SMA are both pointing upward. But this one is a little gappy, so it does this kind of wavy motions. The price does this wavy motions. And also, if you look at the weekly chart, it seems to be touching the 50 SMA on the weekly. So be cautious with this one. But if you look at the daily chart, this one, there's no denying that this is a uptrending chart. So maybe what we need to do is wait for it to maybe pull back, and or the buyer stepping in, giving us the green candle that the buyer wants to push it even higher. So maybe be a little patient with this one, but this one is definitely on my watch list. The next one is FAZ. This is the inverse or the bear 3X ETF for finance. Let's zoom in on the chart. This one is a cheapy. So this one, it has like formed this double bottom, or maybe the W bottom, if you say. So this one right now, it closed above the 50 SMA Thursday of last week, but then Friday is a inside day. So this one, if you get in within this green candle and then set the stop loss just beneath the green candle, you have about 2%, 2.5% risk. But then the first target should be somewhere near this price resistance area, which is 10, 11%. And then if it can push higher, it will probably come to this price resistance area. That will be 15+%. So risk reward ratio wise, this one is a good candidate. And if we just look at the XLF, which is the financial ETF, you can see that this one the price has came down, and in my mind, it's forming this downtrend. So unless the price can go up and go up like this, push up above the downtrend, and then form some kind of a lower high, then it's still in the downtrend. So that's why the FAZ will be a good long chart. And then the last one is TSLL. This is a 2X Tesla ETF. Tesla, some people like it, some don't. But if we look at the chart, it has this wedge formation. And right now, last Friday, it just broke above this wedge formation. So I want to say that the buyer is trying to push the stock higher. The price action looks that way. But with this one, I think we also need to be cautious because the price is touching the 50 SMA on the daily chart, and even though this is a bullish pattern, that price break above the wedging pattern, but maybe the best thing to do is wait for it to show us that it wants to form a lower high, then go back up like that, and then we have a confirmed uptrend after it breaks through the downtrend line. So if it does give us that opportunity, then with Tesla, and then this is a 2x, the reward is gonna be very handsome. So that's the three ETFs I'm keeping an eye on for Monday. Hopefully you find some value in this. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.